lining up top dead center on the 66 Buick Riviera. I couldn't get the bolt where it's supposed to. I guess the pulley has to come off. So I'm gonna try it this way. All right, that's lined up. I'm not understanding what else it's supposed to look like. So let's see what the cap is looking like. So it's there. Alright, let's double check it. That way. That's my one. Already got one spark plug back in. Got everything wired back up to the battery. So that's what we getting. Okay, I got the distributor out. I got the ground out of there, and I got it grounded to here. All right, so that's grounded. So I'm gonna turn it by hand. My drill just died, so I'm just turning it by hand to see what the spark looks like. Without the camera, I can see it flicking the whole time. You only getting the big flashes on the camera. All right, so after that, turning the rotor back to the one post. Down there. All right, there we go. go. One more crank for the road.